Yes, Mataji is like to chant. They're coming from where? First time? Huh? You are studying in Mangalore? Which college? Huh? Here only. What you are studying? Huh? Both of you. Welcome. You're already introduced to Krishna consciousness. You come first time or? I think one Sunday you came. Then after that you did not. Huh? Come whenever you get time. You're welcome. Okay. There is a number of the temple. If you can WhatsApp on that, you start. Did it WhatsApp? You do WhatsApp. You will start getting all the programs. Now Narasimha Jayanti is coming. Any festival? What time in the program? You connect by on the card one number is. Hare Krishna. Okay, we are ready. Yasmin Vairānubandhena Yudhena Vibhudhetaraha Bahuvole Bhire Siddhe Yamuhai Kanta Yoginaha Tenaham Nigrihito Asmi Tenaham Nigrihito Asmi Bhavatam Bhuri Karmana Bhaddascha Varunai Pashe Nati Vride Nachavyathe. Yes, ma'am. Unto you, Vaira Anubandhena, by continuously treating as your enemy, Yudhena, firmly fixed by such intelligence, Vibhuda, Itaraha, the demons, those other than the demigods. Mobile ko shake karo na. Change ho raha hai? Okay. Those other than the demigods, Bahavaha, many of them, Lebire, achieved, Siddhim, perfection, Yam, which, Uha, it is well known, Ekanta Yoginaha, equal to the achievements of the greatly successful yogis, mystic yogis. Tena, therefore, Aham, I, Nigrihtaha, Asmi, although I am being punished, Bhavata, by your lordship, Bhuri Karmana, who can do many wonderful things, Vadahacha, I am arrested and bound, Varunai, Pashay, by the ropes of Varuna, Na, Ati, Vride, I am not at all ashamed of this, Nacha, Vyathe, nor am I suffering very much. Many demons were continuously inimical towards you, finally achieve the perfection of great mystic yogis. Your lordship can perform one work to serve many purposes, and consequently, although you have punished me in many ways, I do not feel ashamed of having been arrested by the ropes of Varuna, nor do I feel aggrieved. Many demons who are continuously inimical towards you finally achieve the perfection of great mystic yogis. Your lordship can perform one work to serve many purposes, and consequently, although you have punished me in many ways, I do not feel ashamed I am being arrested by the ropes of Varuna, nor do I feel aggrieved.
Perfect by His divine grace released with Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. Bali Maharaja appreciated the Lord's mercy, not only upon him, but upon many other demons. Because this mercy is liberally distributed, the Supreme Lord is called All Merciful. Bali Maharaja was indeed a fully surrendered devotee. But even some demons who were not pure devotees, but merely enemies of the Lord, attained the same exalted position achieved by many mystic yogis. Thus, Bali Maharaja could understand that the Lord had some hidden purpose in punishing him. Consequently, he was neither unhappy nor ashamed because of the awkward position in which he had been put by the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
So, we'll translate for him. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namini Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashad Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So there are different grades of devotees. There are different grades of devotees. We see when Vidura met Uddhava, Vidura is a very advanced devotee. He is Yamaraj himself. But when he asked Uddhava, can you tell me something about Krishna? He saw Uddhava as completely in trance. Just by thinking about Krishna, Uddhava was showing great symptoms all over Krishna. So Vidura was stunned how somebody can be such advanced devotee. And he could understand such a great devotee. So similarly, when Uddhava went to Vrindavan, he was also stunned by the great devotion of the gopis. And among the gopis, nobody can match the devotion of Radharani. When Uddhava was reading the letter of Krishna to the gopis, Radharani almost went mad. And where are we now? We are not Vidura, we are not Uddhava, we are not gopis, we are not Radharani. For us, it's a beginning. But it's a beginning for us. So among pure devotees also there are various grades. Now we know when Prahlad Maharaj was tested, when Narasimhadev appeared, everybody was scared. Everybody was scared to approach Narasimhadev. But Prahlad Maharaj went without any fear. So Krishna created a situation, a test. All the devatas failed the test because Narasimhadev was angry. He was very angry. He was roaring like a lion. But the devatas got panicked. But Prahlad Maharaj just walked in without any fear. That fear that the Devatas had, and the Prahlad Maharaj had no fear. That shows his exalted position, even greater than the Devatas. His father, the father of Prahlad Maharaj, Hiranyakashipu, he opposed his devotion to Krishna. But Prahlad Maharaj just went ahead. He did not care. The same way we have Bali Maharaj also, he had such great respect for his spiritual master. Shukracharya had saved his life. Actually, he was dead when Indra had almost killed him. By the power of Shukracharya, he came to life. And by serving Shukracharya, he got so much power that he conquered whole universe. He became Trilokeshwara. He owns all the universe. But the same Shukracharya, whom he had so much respect, wanted to stop his service to the Lord. He ignored him. And here, the test did not end there. The situation was much more difficult. The Lord has taken in two steps everything. He has tied him to tied him with ropes of Varuna. Not Varuna, which is the snake. He uses the snake. Yeah, anyway, he has arrested Bali Maharaj in his own kingdom, where he was Trilokeshwara. He has been arrested, and in public he is being insulted. He is telling him, you are a liar, you are a thief, you are a cheat. But he is not disturbed at all. So Krishna wants to show by this test how great devotee Bali Maharaj is. Sure. Krishna is saying, look, this is my devotee. Just like Prahlad Maharaj, every day there is an attempt to kill him. But he is not stopping his chanting of Harinama. Prahlad Maharaj is not stopping his Krishna Smarana. Prahlad Maharaj is not stopping his devotion service. Even though every day there is attempt to kill him. So Krishna said, watch, this is my devotee. So sometimes Krishna takes devotee to the hardship so that for us it becomes a lesson. Spiritual life is not cheap. Srila Prabhupada struggled for 40 years. Why did Krishna sanction it? So we can all see, look, here is a devotee. So much difficulty Srila Prabhupada had to set up this movement. But Krishna sanctioned that situation so that a common man like us can watch, look, here is a devotee. There is a hidden meaning because as an acharya, they don't feel difficulty. Pure devotees do not feel any difficulty because they are on the spiritual platform. Prabhupada felt no difficulty. He was very happy and peaceful. We can see he's writing the first canto of Bhagavatam so wonderfully. with so much happiness. He doesn't have proper clothes to wear. He doesn't have 1 rupee with him in Vrindavan. He's staying in a small room in Radha Damodar temple in Vrindavan. The room is not even half of this room. Small kitchen. But he is so happy. So externally, but for people like us who are materialistic, it's a lesson. We can appreciate. Krishna wants to glorify his devotees. Similarly, Bali Maharaj, he is not feeling any pain. This word belongs to Krishna. He gave it. Suppose I say I borrow your mobile. You say, please give my mobile. I give. I don't feel any pain. I am very clear. This word belongs to Krishna. So he happily gave it. Take it. But for the people like us who are very attached, it's a shock. How can he do it? All the devatas were also shocked. How did he do this? Because they are also attached. They were very disturbed when they lost the power. They were not like Bali Maharaj. They went to the extent their mother went and prayed to the Lord to give back power to their children. So pure devotee is very, very rare. Just like the devatas are now worshipping Bali Maharaj, devatas same way worship a pure devotee. Again, there is a big difference. Pure devotee is constantly embraced by the Lord. He captures the heart of the Lord. Okay? His position is very, very unique. And in Bali Maharaj's case, there is some kind of purification also going on. Bali Maharaj had become Trilokeshwara. And there was some sense of pride in it. And Krishna does not like a devotee to become proud. When gopis became proud that we are so special, we have Krishna with us, at that time Krishna disappeared from the Rasa Leela. So similarly, Bali Maharaj, when we develop some sense of pride, I am Trilokeshwara. I can give charity. What do you want? There was some sense of possession. And therefore the Lord purified him. That can be the reason why Vamandeva was scolding him. He arrested him in public and using strong words. And Bali Maharaj did not take any offense. Sometimes somebody wants to instruct us for our good. But he takes one strong word and we don't see him again. Bali Maharaj did not say, correct? Till the time somebody is glorifying us, we are very happy. Till the time somebody is glorifying us, we are very happy. But one time he says, this is wrong. We break all the relationship and we walk away. That's how this world is today. Correct? You have to constantly glorify your friends. And once you tell your friend you are wrong, no friendship after that. True? Noticed? So Bali Maharaj did not say, my Lord, what is all this? I'm your devotee. I gave you the whole world. And you are insulting me in public? I don't want such God. Okay, but no, he had no hesitation. He had full faith. That's the difference between a great devotee and an ordinary devotee. Bali Maharaj says, my Lord, sometimes the parent scold their child and they punish their child. But the parents don't do like this. No parents will dispossess a child, make him bankrupt, and make him stand in public and arrest him and insult him. No father, mother does like this. But even though the Lord's punishment is very strong, still he has faith. Lord is working for his good. And because he is a surrendered soul like that, Vamanadeva removed his little ahankara. You cheat, you liar, you want to give everything. Where is the third step? So we can understand in this way that actually Bali Maharaj proved to be a great devotee. Actually, he is in ecstasy, offering everything to the Lord. And same way, Lord is in ecstasy, seeing the love of his devotee. And the Lord is seeing the devotee took his correction in the right way. Okay. So both are in great happiness. When there is a transcendent exchange of love between the Lord and the devotee, both are in bliss. Lord's pastime is called Leela. It's full of happiness. So Vamanadeva is superficially angry. Inside is full of happiness. And Bali Maharaj is also very happy, surrendering everything to the Lord. But all his Danava friends, his Guru, all are in anger. So sometimes when you serve the Lord, it is not easy. Whole society goes against us. But devotee does not lose his determination. Just like when you go to public, and we do Harinam. Many people think we are mad, but we don't care. We are not shaken from our determination to serve the Lord. Okay, so here in this situation, Bali Maharaj is the focus, and he becomes a role model to surrender to the Lord. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Very slow. No, my brain is not working. Slow it is. Little faster. No, practice. He did okay.
You give a pause. You say something.
But it is very.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prerna.
Yeah, Prabhu, yesterday I did some further reading that in Kali Yuga, Ashwamedha Yagna is forbidden, Gomedha Yagna is also forbidden, and
Yes.
that shloka also said that even sannyasa also comes under that.
Yes.
So why sannyasa? Because sannyasa, all religious institutions are allowing sannyasa.
Lord Chaitanya took, no?
Yes, and even in ISKCON we see sannyasis.
Lord Chaitanya took, no? So see, karma sannyasa is forbidden.
Okay,
Sannyasa means the Mayavadi, no? They don't do any activities, they just stop everything.
okay,
They sit down in a forest. That is forbidden. But sannyasa for activities, that is not forbidden.
okay.
You do devotional activities. You understand?
Yeah.
That is allowed. But a
Okay.
sannyasa, which is 90% people do sannyasa means I'll stop everything. Many people say no. I just
Yeah,
sit down. That kind of sannyasa is not accepted.
okay.
Active. Active.
Yeah.
Huh? Not
Yes, yes.
inactive. Many people think inactive. No? I'm so disturbed. I'll sit down in a peaceful place. Huh?
Yes.
That will not work out. You have to
Yes.
do something. Okay? Even sitting down and just chanting is not practical.
Yeah.
That kind of sannyasa is recommended.
Yeah. Prabhu, every week Bhagavatam class we will have one round of chanting.
Okay.
When we chant together, there's some kind of a vibration in the atmosphere which is very nice.
No, also for new people, no, many are not chanting.
Yeah.
See, another thing is that finish your exams. All
Yeah.
contacts, no, we have to call them. So you can also
Okay.
call them.
Yeah.
The temple
Huh.
morning class, which I take early morning Bhagavatam class, there
Huh.
should be at least 25 people in that. And
Hmm.
our program should be 100. Evening
Hmm.
program should be 100. This
Hmm.
is what to achieve and quickly achieve. I had that when I came 2002. Now 17 years later, I don't have feel very frustrated. You should grow. It has gone down.
Hmm.
Okay, because some people are working on this. Okay, chalo.
Okay, Prabhu. Yeah.
Okay, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Today class became very slow. No, I was there was a translation going on.
Huh.
So, but thought flow stops working.
Okay.
I just because I think it just repeated last few days of points. Today's morning classes come out well on the TV. On the mobile,
Okay.
will be there you can watch.
Okay, Prabhu. Okay.
That is the different grades of devotee. That has come well. So I was just
Okay.
in that class, and because I have to give title for the class no, every day.
Okay. Okay.
Now that I realize all the same point, I can repeat.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.